Hi everyone, welcome to a new learning episode. It covers week 6 of quarter 4. The topic is all about probability of simple event. MELC number 38, find the probability of a simple event. Definition of terms. Probability is the measure of how likely an event is to occur. The more likely an event is to occur, the higher its probability. The less likely an event is to occur, the lower its probability. So here is the formula that you need to remember. P of event is equal to number of favorable outcomes over number of all outcomes. So the probability of an event, or P of event, is a number from 0 to 1 which tells how likely the event is to happen. Now let's talk about probability rules. First, the probability of any event is a number, either a fraction, a decimal, or a percent from 0 to 1. Next, if an event will never happen, then the probability is 0. If an event is sure to happen, then the probability is 1. And last, the sum of the probabilities of all outcomes in the sample space is 1. So let's take an example. What is the probability of spinning an even number? And to answer this, we need to use our formula. P of event is equal to number of favorable outcomes over number of all outcomes. So the event that we are referring here is the even number. Alright, so how many even numbers do we have here? Okay, we have 3 even numbers. Number 2, number 4, and number 6. So for our solution, the number of favorable outcome is 3. How about the number of all outcomes? Alright, we have here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright? So here is the solution. P of even numbers, since we are referring to even numbers, is equal to 3 over 6. Okay? And we need to reduce it into lowest term. P of even numbers is equal to 1/2. Alright? Next, what is the probability of spinning hand? So we have here an illustration. Again, let's write our formula. P of event is equal number of favorable outcomes over number of all outcomes. So for our solution, the number of favorable outcome here is very good. We only have here 1 hand. So we have 1 here. How about the number of all outcomes? Alright, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number of all outcomes is 8. So P of hand is equal to 1/8. Next, what is the probability of spinning green? And again, here is our formula. So as you can see, how many green do we have here? Alright, we have 2. So we already know that the number of favorable outcomes is 2. How about the number of all outcomes? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 for the number of all outcomes. So P of green is equal to 2 over 14. As you can see here, pwede pa natin siyang i-reduce into lowest term. So P of green is equal to 1 over 7. Now it's your turn. So please answer our last example. If you choose from the following M&M colors, what is the probability that you choose blue? we have 5 green, 6 peach, 8 blue, and 7 pink. Alright? So, pwede nyong i-pause itong video para magkaroon kayo ng enough time to answer. Right? Now, let's check your answer. So, in your solution, don't forget to write the formula. So, the number of favorable outcomes over number of all outcomes. And then, the number of favorable outcome here is very good, 8. Since we are only referring to color blue, so we have 8 blue here, right? And then, the number of all outcomes, we have 5 green, plus 6 peach, plus 8 blue, plus 7 pink. We have the total of 26 number of all outcomes. So, P of blue is equal to 8 over 26. Pwede pa natin siyang i-reduce into lowest term. P of blue is equal to 4 over 13. Okay? That's all for this week. Thank you so much, grade 8 student, for listening. Have a good day.